Hey there, hey YouTubers. Steve with AZ Blade Broker back with another review for you. Today we're going to look at a Columbia River Knife and Tool, Crkt, Ultima fighting knife. This is a fixed blade knife with what I think is about a 7-inch tanto style blade. Yeah. Most of these you see have the real heavy serrations on them. This is an all straight blade knife. Their build is being made out of 1.4116 stainless. I have no clue what that is. I'm assuming it's some sort of proprietary metal that Columbia River is having made. Most likely some version of 440C or something similar with a proprietary heat treating process. This is a full tang knife. At first glance it looks like it's a hidden tang, but it's not. It's got bolt-on or fasteners here holding the scales on. They'll come right off, and you can see that the tang goes all the way through. They just have these molded grip that goes around it. Really a good grip, good ergonomics. It's got this little pry bar tip on the end. Kind of a modified tanto, drop point tanto almost. They bill it as being a survival slash fighting knife, and I don't know that I'd put it in the category of a survival knife. Not my idea of a survival knife. It's a little too small, a little too thin. Not really keen on tanto blades on survival knives either. Would I take it over nothing? Hell yes, but anyway. Looks like they were made in 2007 in Taiwan, and they have this little 360 logo. I'm not really sure what that means. If you do, leave it in the comments down below. This particular knife has a bead blast finish on it. A lot of these that you see are powder coated black. This particular one's bead blast. It's ridiculously sharp. I don't know who owned this before. I'm seeing a couple little chingaderas in the blade, but not bad. But they really put some time on this edge, and it is hair popping, paper shaving sharp. This particular knife will be going up for sale on my eBay site, which is surplus-steve11 on eBay. There'll be a link below. We have the same handle on Gunbroker for our automatic knives. So let's take a look at some overall dimensions on this knife. We already determined that the blade is 7 inches, correct? Let's double check that. Well, let's call it 6 5/8. Okay, the full length is 11.5. Okay. Let's get our scale. Anytime now, scale. 9.6 ounces. And let's get the sheath and all. Total carry weight, 1 pound, 2 ounces. 508 grams. Knife by itself is 247 grams. I'm sorry, 272 grams. Alright, as you can see, this has a kind of a false edge all the way down the backside. It's probably another reason why I wouldn't really call it a fighting knife. Had they brought this out to a full width of the blade, crushed here, left some weight in it, then I'd say it'd probably double as a good survival knife. But that said, for a fighting knife, it really does have good ergonomics. It's light, it's agile, it's wieldy. The grip works very well, both directions. It's a nice thumb ramp on the top here. So yeah, I would say it's a pretty effective fighting knife. And for a fighting knife, I do like the tanto style. Gives you a good strong point without sacrificing penetrating ability. Alright, that's my review.